Today we're going to talk a little bit about replacement stainless steel hardware and other components that you might want to use in your facility or your customers' facilities to allow their door systems to operate in wet, corrosive, dirty, and other nasty environments. Now, one of the dilemmas that facility managers and building owners face is having standard commercial doors in an application that might be wet, corrosive, dirty, or really nasty. Most of these doors are set up with galvanized hardware and they don't last very long. Now take this DOT facility as an example. Last winter, they were plagued by downtime. The reason why is because they had standard commercial garage door products with standard galvanized hardware. Now this door downtime caused this equipment to be stuck in this building and not out on the road where it belongs. Now fortunately, this is completely preventable by using American Garage Door Supply's stainless steel hardware and specialty rollers in these tough conditions. Now in this particular project, the original facility had regular old steel commercial rollers. Of course, the open raceways allowed water, dirt, and nasty stuff to get inside them, and they fell apart in no time. We replaced those with Magnum Supreme. They have a stainless steel bearing, stainless steel stem, and a UHMW tire. That product's gonna outlast the steel rollers for decades. The next thing that was failing was the cable. Galvanized cable just doesn't stand up to those nasty, wet, and even dirty conditions in most cases. So we replaced that with high quality stainless steel wire, and we also use copper fittings to make sure that we didn't have bimetallic corrosion that can happen if you use aluminum fittings. Now, do you have a facility that's plagued by downtime similar to what we saw right here? If you do, check out our replacement products at stainlessgaragedoorparts.com. There you'll find thousands of specialty replacement items that's going to allow you to equip that door to handle just about any condition that you can throw at it. Wet, dirty, corrosive, it doesn't matter. That door is going to handle it. Visit us soon on our website or give our experienced staff a call at 800-233-1487 and let our experience go to work for you.